Hey Mildecon from RAF Milden Hall in England. I'm Joe Dyson, or Mr. Robot. Just here to talk to you about some of the videos you're gonna see upcoming. So a big part of this, well, I think it's a big part of it, are the food videos that you'll see. So, we know that a lot of people have people over to their house for movies and for games, especially with COVID. Things are getting a little more private, a little more intimate, you say. And we know not everyone are master chefs and they're trained in the art of cuisine. And what we're here today to do is probably teach you some ways where you can surprise other folks. And you'll bring out dishes that maybe they never thought you could make before. So we're gonna have some fresh ingredients, some semi-fresh ingredients, but we're gonna try to keep the time limit down so that way you can create those in less than an hour. So thank you so much for joining us here. And you know what they say about cons, it's all about the fantasy and the magic. So let's see where your imagination can take you. Thank you so much for joining us and looking forward to seeing you in the next couple days.